Here's how to video call on Android. Now, the first option you have is to access the Contacts app. So open up the Contacts app. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can potentially video call. The first one is you can just find somebody in your contacts and you can see call, message, and then video call. It sometimes will be a Google Meet option. So I can tap on it and it says I can just basically create and share a link with that other person. But keep in mind, I need to then go through the process of texting them that link. They need to access it or open it up. It's a bit of a pain. So that is your first option. However, if you don't want to use that option, a second option is to open up WhatsApp instead. This is a great option if you just wanted to access somebody in your contacts, because you can see directly in the WhatsApp app is a video call option. I can just hit call the video call and it will automatically pop up with the camera and me, and then it will be able to call that other person no matter if they have an iPhone or an Android or any other device.